Hello friends, in this video I'm just going to explain how to install Battlegrounds Mobile India in PC emulator like Bluestacks. If you are trying to install this Battlegrounds Mobile India on Memo Player or any other PC emulator, it's not working properly, but it works perfectly on Bluestacks. So that's what I'm going to show, how to install it. On the home screen also you can see this icon, Battlegrounds India. In order to run Battlegrounds Mobile India, you need to have this latest Bluestacks 5 versions. So play on Bluestacks 5. I'll be providing this link in the description so you can download it. Play on Bluestacks 5. So click to install. Installing Bluestacks version 5. So it's totally 395 MB. Bluestacks 5 is installed. Super cool. Already BGMI is listed here, popular games to play, but anyway, I'm going to open Play Store because I need to sign in, right? So I'm going to sign in. Provide your email ID and password, then click on next. I agree. Turn off. If you want, you can enable it. Accept. That's it. I have successfully logged in. Now I'm going to search this BGMI, Battlegrounds Mobile India. It should have Battlegrounds Mobile India Early Access. So if you have already pre-registered it, right, you will have these options to install. It should be like Early Access. I am going to install it. It's 682 MB. It's installed. I'm going to open it. You can change the settings here. You can decrease the opacity. So I'm going to give OK and allow. I think another 600 MB will be updated. 618 MB data will be updated. All data has been downloaded and updated. I need to restart it now. So giving OK and closing it. Okay, going home screen. Yeah, it is installed. Again, I'm going to open it. You can change the keyboard setting as well. So 1080 pixel will be good. And here agree. I need to log in. Click on more, play games, accept. Because already I have logged in, that's why it is not asking me to enter the user ID and password. I think it started. If you install this BGMI on Memo Play, definitely it will not be opening. You will be getting some error. You have been written to the main menu as you have been disconnected for too long. Okay, that's not a problem. Super cool. So BGMI works perfectly on PC emulator. This is good, right? So example, I'm going to start one of the match. Without any hindrance, it works perfectly. Okay.
Help represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly.
See, it works perfectly. Match is started. Now you can live stream to YouTube, Facebook, see Battlegrounds Mobile India. So jump. Super cool. That's it friends, this is the way you can install Battlegrounds Mobile India on your PC through Bluestacks. I'll be providing this Bluestacks link in the descriptions. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye friends and take care.